10. Weird creatures found in the deep sea. If you are looking for bizarre creatures that defy explanation, there is no better place to look than the deep sea. Every year, researchers capture incredible footage of alien-looking animals and strange new species lurking in the deep, and this year was no different. Here is our list of the top 10 weirdest deep-sea creatures. 10. Blood red jellyfish. In August, researchers with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) announced the discovery of a brand new and unnamed species of blood red jellyfish. Blood red jelly likely belongs to the genus Poralia, according to the researchers. They first spotted the new jelly on July 28 using a remotely operated vehicle (ROV) at a depth of around 2,300 feet (700 meters), just off the coast of Newport, Rhode Island. 9. Elusive glass octopus. Also in August, researchers from the Schmidt-Ocean Institute (SOI) released footage of an elusive glass octopus, Vitreildanella richardi, off the coast of the remote Phoenix Islands, an archipelago located more than 3,200 miles (5,100 kilometers) northeast of Sydney, Australia. The translucent cephalopod was originally discovered during a 34-day expedition of the Central Pacific Ocean on board the SOI's research vessel Falkor. On board, scientists spotted the creature using the Sebastian, which spent a total of 182 hours scanning the seafloor during the expedition. 8. Shape-shifting whalefish. The Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute (MBRI) released footage in August showing a bright orange, female whalefish, of the order Cetamimiformes, around 6,600 feet, 2,013 meters, deep offshore of Monterey Bay, California. Very little is known about this bizarre fish because of the three drastically different appearances of the juveniles, tape-tails, males, big noses, and females, whalefish. The three forms look so different that scientists originally thought they were three different species. The shape-shifting transformation from juvenile to mature females is believed to be one of the most extreme among any vertebrates. 7. Emperor Dumbo. In May, researchers reported the discovery of a brand new species of Dumbo octopus, Grimteuthis imperator, nicknamed Emperor Dumbo by the researchers. Dumbo octopus species can be identified by the umbrella-like webbing joining their tentacles and their cartoonishly eel-like fins that resemble the oversized ears on Disney's famous elephant. Really lucky find, Alexander Ziegler, a researcher at Friedrich Wilhelm University in Bonn, Germany, and chief scientist on board the research vessel, told Live Science, because we weren't really looking for it. 6. Real-life SpongeBob and Patrick. In August, NOAA released a comical photo of the real-life counterparts of the cartoon best friends SpongeBob SquarePants and Patrick Star side by side on the seafloor. The image of the squarish yellow sponge and five-pointed pink sea star were taken by NRO on July 27, at a depth of 6,184 feet, 1,885 meters, during an expedition of the Retriever Seamount off the coast of New England. 5. Alien-like spindly squid. In November, NOAA scientists spotted a rare bigfin squid, of the genus Magnapinna, with NRO during an expedition in the Gulf of Mexico. The ghostly squid has a very odd body plan with huge, iridescent fins and bizarre elbow-like pins in its tentacles. All of their arms and tentacles have this long, spaghetti-like extension. Mike Vecchioni, a research zoologist with the NOAA Fisheries National Systematics Laboratory, can be heard saying in the NOAA video footage, "It's really difficult to tell the arms from the tentacles, which is very unusual for a squid." 4. Giant phantom jellyfish. Scientists operating NRO at a depth of 3,200 feet, 975 meters, in Monterey Bay, California, spotted the massive jelly, with its 3.3-foot wide, 1 meter, bell and 33-foot long, 10 meters, ribbon-like arms. Not much is known about phantom jellyfish, but scientists think it uses its arms, which stream like loose scarves in its wake, to ensnare unfortunate prey and winch them up to its mouth. The creature also propels itself through the pitch-black depths with periodic pulses from its faintly glowing bell. The giant phantom jelly was first collected in 1899. 3. Photobombing squid. While trying to film the remains of the vessel, The team's row was continuously photobombed by a purple-black flying squid, Stenoteuthis oualaniensis. The shipwreck and squid were found at a depth of around 2,788 feet, 850 meters. The scientists from Oceanic think it was a solitary squid, but it may have been more than one as it was hard to identify the cephalopod as it zoomed across the screen. The researchers also said the squid had a total body length of about 6 feet, 2 meters, which would be near the maximum size for the species. 2. Sponge tracks on the seafloor. In April, a new study revealed the first evidence of deep-sea sponges crawling around on the seafloor, after researchers snapped photos of bizarre brown tracks left behind by the surprisingly mobile creatures in the Arctic. The sponge trails were first photographed in 2016 by towed cameras behind a research vessel at Langseth Ridge, a poorly studied region of the Arctic Ocean that's permanently covered in sea ice, at a depth of between 2,300 and 3,300 feet, 700 to 1,000 meters. 1. A see-through skull. In December, Bury researchers caught a rare glimpse of a barrel fish, Macropina microstoma. This bizarre fish has a translucent forehead, which it actually looks through using a pair of bulbous green eyes inside its head. Enro filmed the strange creature while cruising at a depth of about 2,132 feet, 650 meters, in the Monterey Submarine Canyon, one of the deepest submarine canyons on the Pacific coast. Extraordinarily, Bury scientists have only ever spotted the species 9 times previously, despite having completed more than 5,600 dives in the fish's habitat.